Marijuana hybrids are strains of cannabis that combine the genetics of cannabis sativa and cannabis indica, aiming to balance the energizing effects of sativa with the relaxing qualities of indica. These strains are cultivated to enhance specific properties, such as pain relief, mood elevation, or relaxation. Medical uses of hybrid strains often include managing anxiety, chronic pain, nausea, and insomnia, while recreational users seek tailored effects suited to their preferences. While hybrid strains offer a blend of benefits, they may also cause a range of side effects, from mild to severe. The following side effects are relatively common and may occur as your body adjusts to their use. 1. Dry mouth, a common sensation of thirst or mouth dryness. 2. Red or irritated eyes, due to increased blood flow in the eyes. 3. Drowsiness or energy boost. Depending on the indica to sativa ratio, hybrids can either relax or invigorate. 4. Increased appetite, known as the munchies. This stimulates hunger. 5. Mild euphoria, a sense of happiness or well-being. 6. Altered perception, changes in sensory awareness or time perception. These side effects are typically short-lived and may subside as the body processes the substance. If they persist or worsen, consider adjusting the strain or dosage. Though uncommon, marijuana hybrids may cause serious side effects that require immediate medical attention. 1. Severe drowsiness or insomnia. Depending on the strain, hybrids can oversedate or overstimulate. 2. Anxiety or paranoia. Higher levels of THC in hybrids may cause heightened anxiety in sensitive individuals. 3. Impaired memory or cognitive function. Difficulty focusing or recalling details, especially with potent strains. 4. Respiratory issues. Smoking hybrids can irritate the lungs, leading to coughing or chronic bronchitis symptoms. 5. Dependence or withdrawal. Prolonged use may lead to dependency, with withdrawal symptoms such as irritability or sleep disturbances. 6. Mental health effects. Rarely, hybrids may exacerbate underlying mental health conditions or contribute to mood swings. Marijuana hybrids are highly versatile, offering a customizable balance of effects for medical and recreational users alike. However, selecting the right strain and dosage is essential to maximize benefits while minimizing potential risks. If you experience any unusual symptoms or adverse reactions while using a hybrid strain, consult a healthcare provider. Always adhere to local cannabis laws and regulations and use marijuana responsibly.
Before you go, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to make sure you stay up to date on my videos.